There. Oh, yeah, now you can hear me. Wait, can I? I'm gonna play something.
11. So with that being said,
Hold on, I'm just gonna play this.
let's get started.
Okay,
On
yeah,
Windows,
the you guys can hear videos, like sounds. Oh, my screen keeps freezing. Is it my? No. Wait, I swear to God, it's my faulty RAM wiring. Got some. Found out that like. Wait over here. Possible causes: outdated drivers, memory issue, faulty RAM can cause freezing. Running a memory test can help identifying this. Overheating: if your computer's overheating, it may throttle performance, causing freezes. Malware: yeah, I don't have any malware. Yeah, it started today, so I don't know really how to fix it. Oh, my screen lagged again. Is it? It might be my Fusion 360. I don't know. Because like, for example, I got so many sketches over here. Hold on. Just gotta find a sketch that isn't like associated. Yep. To all the way up there. Then move to group. Select old. Yeah. 100. Is this 177 in here? But it counts up to 200, 241. I don't know how it ended up there. I assume, yeah, it stops at 159. Goes all the way up to now, so 158. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm lost in math. Uh, let me check here. Oh shit. Shoot. That's what I meant. Windowed screen program there because I want to see like. Okay, they called this kind of bad, to be honest. Uh, is there anything down? Oh, what the fuck? Anything down here that I don't need? I mean, no Spotify is needed. Oh, oh my bad. Hold on. Gotta. There we go. Nope. That should let me. Yeah. Okay. Good. No. Yeah. No, it should be able to be seen on my profile or something. Okay. So I made this yesterday, so you can like take this apart, so I can make a new part of this in case I wanna have like a screw going through here instead, or have like a have this be a hole instead of a stick for the eyes. Oh, oopsies. Eyelids, eyelids. That's right, now it's going through the eyeball, like the eyelid, but instead I could make this go through there so it has more secure connection. Hello SG Rati, or Rati, I'm probably never gonna be able to pronounce that right. I'm just gonna call it SG because it's much more easier. Are these less transparent now? Oh yeah, because I made those thinner than before. I don't really know what I have left. Oh yeah, I remember now. Exactly remember what I have left. I just wanna do this first. Enable all of those. Because currently what's mostly left is on the head. Because first of all, I still got the old design for the neck, which I don't want. I want to add on the bearings? Yeah, bearings that I got. Oh, they're on my bed. I gotta go get them. Like, measurement. Oof. I don't know if it's for everybody in the world right now, but that first day is gonna be there's not gonna be school on Thursday and Friday. I don't even know why it's on Thursday, but happy I get to skip school, you know. So, oh, no, a bit laggy still. Um, okay, first of all, I think what I gotta do is I gotta fill everything in here and start like from the beginning. From the beginning. Is this, why is that not the same height? Don't understand that. Gotta add this box right here from that corner all the way to over here. This is 14 point. Wait, what? What was it again? I totally forgot. 14.8. Was it right? No, is it 0.08? I'm gonna have to redo that. You say line here. Yeah, 14.808. 33. I gotta write that down somewhere. Oh no. Gotta write, open a new tab on Opera. 33 and 14.808. Oh, that's 15. And then we just get the box on here. And then you somehow can't do anything. What the hell? Does this save as like... Okay, good. It does not. Hello. Why can't I select any of the corners? I mean, I know for a fact that's not a corner, but... Is it... Do I have to do it like that or something? Because I should just be able to make a box over here and... It should work. Do I have to press Control C again? Oh. Why am I in a sketch now? Oh, did it make the sketch and then show it? Then I kept making like boxes on the sketch so it wouldn't. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, 14.808 and 33. Let's see. Oh shoot, I remember that too now. Hold on. Gotta have... I should do this too, or like easier, yeah. We just gotta have that, do that, join. And we gotta do just a little bit more of that, yeah. Okay, okay, we're back to this now. To be honest, I think I want to like, or first of all, I gotta find where I want to have like the movement to be and how I want to move it. Because I don't even think I have here the neck. This is the old neck design. It sucks so bad. Oh my god. Let's just see here for a second. Yeah, it's still the same thickness on this model. I did not know it would actually split it up. That's cool though. Also with the ribcage, how I'm gonna have, like, not ribcage, but how I'm gonna have like the cables and stuff on it. I think I'll maybe just, oh wait, actually. Oh my, I did not notice. Oh my god. How is bro, what is bro's posture? He goes like, whap, and here he goes forward. Like, does bro not have a spine or something? Uh, that makes me just super actually, this, I was gonna say it makes me unsure of how I'm gonna model this. Like, if I'm gonna change it to look good. But I could actually just put a plate with boards on the back like I did on the head. And I can just make that fill in the gap here. Like, have the boards be on here. I don't know. Okay, let's think here. Hide. Wait, I can just go back to this. So currently we have is this not showing? Where's the thingy? Where is it? Oh, here, torso. This is the torso I made a long time ago. I'm also doubting if I should remodel this, because oh, whoopsies, wrong one. On this one, right on the back, it goes all the way down, but it doesn't on this one. I think I might just go with my own style, you know. Hide that. So over here. Oh yeah, I gotta change that to create cylinder on here. Circle. Have that go all the way down there. Join. Oh no, is it gonna make, oh shoot, I accidentally pressed the hotkey. Okay, good. It didn't join it together. Okay, so I gotta take a look at my endo 2 in real life here. Oh, oopsies. Oh, a lot of wires. A lot of parts dangling. I'm taking a look how much the jaw can open. Yeah, it's just a bit below there. But it's about collisions and stuff, you know. Oh wait, I just noticed that too. Where should I put him? I might put him. I'm gonna put him on the side, like below my monitor. That's gonna be nice. So I also just noticed, yeah, wait, I might actually have to remodel that then. So, right now, I've got the, like, feeling that this won't really, it won't really, hold up good, or like the neck will have to hold up a lot of, like, weight, because I think the turning point, like the pivot over here, is far away from up here. So I'm thinking, what if I make this thingy be closer to up here, or I could otherwise, yes, have it pretty close up here, have it like be apart together, and I have the bottom here move. I'm gonna look for some. Um, oh shoot! I forgot what it's called again. Inspiration. Endo O2. Um, neck design. I don't know. I'm just searching up stuff. Ooh, actually, I'm finding some kind of cool. Oh my. Guys, I think my. How? Wait, how is that possible? You guys couldn't see, but my freaking Opera GX crashed. How was that even possible? How is that possible? Like crashing a game, yeah, but crashing your freaking web browser, is it gonna? Oh no, it didn't crash this time. Yeah, we got some stuff. Let's see. Cause I want to see is there any like realistic. I like this. It's a bit more squared. There's a lot more teeth though. 3D printed endo to, yeah, wait, this is, I can't tell if this is like, if it's online so people like can 3D print it and put servos. I don't think that's it though. Oh, here's Smith's Spring Bonnie head and Pit Bonnie and a lot of other stuff. What the fuck? What are these doing here? What the hell? And bro, what the fuck? Oh, here's Smith's again. Creando un animatrónico en la vida real parte one. Is this even made by Smith? Is this just somebody? Oh, this is just. What the fuck? And that's cool. Yeah. Let's skip that. Is there any like it? I've seen this before. You know what? Let's take a look here. Okay, why is that the thing? I'm gonna mute this. I'm more in. Wait, can I save this as a video? Oh, I can save it as a video. There's. Is that real? My question is this person real? Like, this is obviously animation. Movie voice lines. Animations. Yeah. Let's mute this again. Yeah, can. I kinda like. Can I not zoom in on this? I'm thinking about the neck, about like pistons and stuff. I like how they like made their own like design and stuff, made it a bit more realistic, but that that piston is dislocated. Sorry. Bro, do I really have to go full screen on this? And I can't even zoom in. Can I like press control? No, I can't do control plus. I'm pretty sure I muted it. Sorry. I'm gonna do that too. Just in case it turns back on. Hold on. Hold on guys, I gotta go a sec. Okay, we're back. I also just remembered about something. Let me get my servo motors out. Hopefully it didn't sound too weird. You guys are not seeing anything of these servo motors, but it's about the work. It's not about whole showing off and stuff, I'd say. I'm thinking, how is people like how, people who use bearings, right? With servo motors, how did they like connect them when they have uh, a port connected to a bearing and then a servo motor connected? Wait, hold on. Yeah, wait. Actually, I just came up with something that might work. I gotta open up another plastic thingy. Another plastic. Oh, this one doesn't have those. I must see. Do my other servo. The thing servo horn for the MG fit. It does fit. Let's go. Yeah, but it doesn't fit for the hole. Um. I think I'm also thinking, should I just start out by making like a print that that like tries to fit in a bearing, because I haven't done that yet, and I might like fail. And then if it does work, then I can steal those dimensions from it for that bearing, and then I just copy and paste it. Let me just think first. I don't even have any screws that would fit properly, I think. Let's see again. Not this. We are going here. 3D printed animatronics. Bearings. Servo connection. Like I'm basing this off a tiny servo right now. Right now for like arm movements. But it isn't really necessary right now, but just for future stuff. I can't really see any good stuff I can go off, like get inspiration from. How about actually, I think let's see, is there any, okay, what is this doing here? Why? Okay, I know why this is here, but why are these here? I don't usually watch that. Taking off her. Cause he showed his arms before, right? Did he use bearings or not? Okay, why am I getting car commercials? I can't even drive a car yet. Like, I'm allowed to drive a car, but I don't want to drive a car yet. I don't have any use for that. Voila! Come on, be faster. I already have that. Stop going on my YouTube. Okay, there. Yumma, yumma, yumma. Mine is going for more like free movement. Or like how it can move. Oh wait, I remember. I also remember now the bearing that I'm basing off right now is actually useful right now because that's gonna be for the left and right motion for the neck. Yeah. Yeah, speed up, speed up. I've already seen this of his video, so his arms, because I don't just wanna have like the bearing connected to the neck and thingy, and then have the neck and the head, and then just have a servo with like a lever mechanism move the head left and right. Okay, I think this has to be the right video, right? Oh yeah, it's like that kind of connection I'm also thinking of, because I got 3 of them, for like 1 for the neck and 2 for the arms. Oh, he used wires. Oh, should have used paper clips. No offense. Oh yeah, also PVC pipes. I've been thinking of that too for adding to the animatronic, but I'm not sure if it would fit the endo 2 vibes. Is he right next to a kitchen, or is that a sink? Or does he just live in a tiny home? I think no, wait, I gotta check. No! No! No more ads! Please, let me skip the ad. Oprah, come on. You're supposed to block ads. Come on. Oh my god, it seems like we're gonna have to see a Fortnite clip. Bro surfing. Yeah, oh my. More cars? I don't. Fucking god. Damn god, why are ads getting worse? God. This is. I remember I can just skip a bit forward. We haven't even seen half of the video yet. Hold on. I wanna go back here again. How? Where does this go? Is it just resting on top there? Or am I just blind? Oh, it's a white part. I don't know why people do this. They have like this part go like in there, and then the other part a bit further up. And I assume these are like further away because or no, if these goes to like further out, that makes them like makes the head be able to tilt more. But you see, it's very close to the middle point, so which I also gotta think for my animatronic, because right here this was pretty far enough, I'd say. Let me bring up. I should turn on my camera actually. Hopefully don't mind the mess. I just printed one of the pieces for my endo too. So, cameras. Camera. I can't see camera. Properties. Pro stream webcam. Is it just? Would you look at that? It's just hidden beneath something. Just make that text a bit smaller. There, yippee, you guys are seeing something. Yes, you know, porn is and all, but I'm gonna use a Pringle can for holding up the camera, just so you guys can like see stuff. Oh shoot. Ooh, yeah, paper ball thing. Hopefully my camera isn't too small. I don't assume I need it. I mean, kind of help maybe for like inspiration and stuff for the neck and how to attach the bearings. But the shoot there it is. I'm gonna make this bigger. Wanna go there? Bigger. See, this one can go above. Then the text to there, so we can make the camera a bit bigger. I noticed I can also just I don't wait. I can just there. Much easier. So this is the old neck thingy. You see, imagine this is the servo moving right now. So it will move down, and you see it moves a lot. But I think if I have it over here, or I gotta use both. Yeah, it's gonna move a bit less, I think. Yeah, I think it's because it's off the side. Maybe. Oh yeah, I'm not not sure, but it sucks because we just had servo boop on there, and then have boop head on top, and then what does that make? That makes a head tilt forward, makes servo not feel good, because it was supporting all of the weight, and it couldn't turn properly. So that's why we gotta change it up a bit. I still don't have the model for the base. I just added a base. Yep. Just for more stability. But we also got these servo motors, which I'm gonna replace what I used over here. I was like, oh, I'm gonna replace SG90s, aka these small servos, and let me just put this in comparison to this head. I thought this tiny one would support this massive head, but you know, AMG motor, yeah, seems more better for tilting this up and down, which I thought first. I was like, oh, I'm gonna change this into a MG one, which is one of these. It's practically the same thing, but just with metal gears, which does make it stronger, but probably not strong enough. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this for the left and right motion, because yeah, bearing, like, to be honest, yeah, I can. It isn't too hard to turn it around, and it will be less amount of friction. Only problem now is connecting it. Close your jaw. Don't do that on stream. But ooh, I love this part. Let me show you guys. About the neck turn, like the tilt tilt thingy, like this that made it tilt up and down. It got like a small amount of wiggle room, right? So even if, oh shoot, I dropped some stuff. Even if this is straight, it could like tilt a bit or something. But you're supposed to use ball joints for that. This isn't. This is just loose. It gave a bit wiggle room for it, so the head would not properly move a lot of times. But some days ago, I bought these, 4 of these. So they are like ball joints, but they're like very strong. Okay, there is a bit of a loose connection. I don't know why. It shouldn't be. I mean, probably for having less friction. All of these have like no friction, but apparently this is the only one that has a lot of friction. You see it stays up, stays down, but then oh, this one also is staying a bit. Then we have the other ones which just what? Oh, happy, sad, happy, sad. Some people will get it, some people will not. But the idea is that we have them like stacked up like that as like a replacement of these thingies. And since these are also steel, they will hold up much more compared to these plastic ones, which can bend pretty easily. Which I'm oh no, it makes sense they didn't break because they didn't have a lot of stress load. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, the connection between this and the head, it's still on here, so you can see the messed up servo underneath here. Yeah, I think I can actually connect this up. Not real connected, but just try and put it on. Yeah, it's not the best connection, but you can already. Yeah, you can't really put it down. It's a bit wiggly. One time you could see the glue marks. I glued it on one time, but of course it's not a good idea. Do the bearings. Oh, I haven't showed the bearings yet. I think. Ooh, I see now. I just noticed your name, Scrubble. Bearings. For the arms. These obviously I can easily connect the servo onto because the servo literally fits inside of there. But then for the small ones, a servo does not fit in there, and I don't really know how to connect the movement to it because one part has to surround here, one part has to surround the insides or the inside of it, and then this has to be connected to the outer part, and the horn has to be connected to the inner part, so it like moves it. But I don't really know how to do that, which I guess might be the purpose of this stream. I'll only be streaming for like another hour, I think, yeah. Till it's like what is it? 8, 9 o'clock for me. Uh let's try and set something up. Okay, so let me start thinking away, okay? I gotta hold these up for ideas. I also gotta think about screws because I got it screwed in for it to actually connect. So, first of all, I think I'll be using this one, so I need to just put on less connections. Um, and if you're also wondering why is there wait oh shoot wait I think I actually just came up with it. Yeah, wait, that could actually work. Hold on, hold on. Ooh, that's a very good idea. Devilish. We gotta find my. Oh, it's over here. Small screws. Question is, will they even fit in the hole that I want them to fit in? And I mean, they don't even need to, I think. Let's just retry that. I mean, at least that fits. Okay, I got an idea now. So, let's see here. For the port connecting to this and into the hole, we just make that part, but we have it end over here. And then we have another part, which is the actual arm, which or like the neck, I guess, at this point. We would have that screw in here, so it would connect up to the thing where the servo is connecting it, so it would move with it, but I won't use one, I will use 2 screws. But I think first of all we gotta test out a print which can hold this up. Which actually, let's see if this piece fits in it. It fits in it, but it's not big enough. Just gotta double check if I have like anything that could fit in it as like, so I don't need to 3D print 2 pieces for this. You know, we're being cheap over here. I have the money for it, but look at my workspace. I'm not in a luxurious workshop, am I right? Or am I right, lads? Oh wait, was I talking a bit too quiety? What do you call it? I don't remember. Is this part for the eye? Yeah, it is. You're supposed to be over there. Damn. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna 3D model a part for that. Oh shoot. I gotta move the mic every single time I switch from my workshop to my thingy over here. So new, no, not electronics design. I don't know why it has. Oh wait, it's a default. Can I change the settings? Preferences. General. Can I not? Oh, default design. There we go. Apply. Okay, so now if I. Yes, default. Let's go. Okay. Now what I've learned from bearings is that you need I would just make the hole be the same as like the parts be as big as this one says it should be, just because you know, maybe you don't know, but so I can guess. I've this is 1 centimeter, I think, 9.90 millimeters, AK, close enough. Yeah, 9.96, and I think this makes it a bit inaccurate, so we're gonna start out with a 1 centimeter big hole. I'm gonna make like the part have like a bit smooth of an edge, so we can easily push it into here, and we can learn if it's too big or too small. Actually, let's do the outer rim. This might also be inaccurate. 26, hold on. 26 minus, wait, basically 8, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Yeah, math checks out. It's supposed to be 10 in the middle, but 26 around here. And hmm hmm to be honest, wait, let's see, how thick is this? That's 8 millimeters. I just remembered that's the spacing between. So this is the size of the bearing right now. This is the hole, and then this is the outside. So we want this to be 2.5 millimeters thick. Nah, we want it to be somehow sturdy, so I'm gonna put it at 4. And then we'll do offset on this just in case. -4. I don't even think it will matter, because if we have this full, it will just be some lines of filament. So this is the part we want to make, right? Oh wait, my bad, dude, my bad. 26. No, okay, let's make this 50, aka 5 centimeters. And then we make this one 20, 15. 15 seems better. And then we just take that. Do that. Why? Because we need a place where we, oh shoot. Wait, let me think for a second. This has to be at least 5. 7.5, yep, good enough. Then I just offset this by 3.5. Negative. 3.5. There. Why did we do this now? Because now when we make this part, hold on, I hate that I have to, oh my god, what the fuck, extrude. There. So why did we do this? Because we need a like lever arm to like see how strong it can like turn, like how much it can hold. And we also gotta do it for the middle part. So the height of the bearing over here is about 8 millimeters. I'm gonna make this 8 6 millimeters, because then we got some space for pushing the bearing out later. And I just remembered cylinder, add one over here. And now we're making this 20, no, 15. Good enough, right? And then we'll make this 15. Yep. Why did we do this? Because I know we need to be able to hold this in an easy way. So we need to make this be test. I'm gonna do 7.5. Just because I'm picky. That's 15, right? And I think that should be good enough, right? But you know, since I'm a bit more of a like guy who likes to play around and stuff and not use filament, no, use a lot of filament, I want to make this hollow and not use support, so I want the if oh shoot, I just noticed that. Oh, hold on, I gotta fix that later. Okay, so it's 1.25, so we need 5, no, 25. Yeah, we need 1.25. I'm just gonna do 1 there. I'm pretty sure this went to the size as it was before, but this is good enough, okay? It's good enough now. This right here, it's 4.75. And this is right here along, but I'll make it just there. 2.25, which I think is good enough. It's small too, so it won't really budge a lot. But what I was concerned about, I'm not concerned, but I was a little stupid about. I shouldn't have that because, you see here how we go this and then like that. But if we do this, you see we get straight line and then of course it may look a bit weird, but I think it's good. So file, export, testing, bearing, turnage, fitting. I don't really know. And then we open up this thingy. More. Oh shoot, my